Have you ever wished you could build a complete website in just a few minutes? Add your content, SEO, media, your own domain name, even track analytics, all without touching a single line of code? Well, today I'm going to show you how I built a full AI tools directory in only 5 minutes. And yes, I can already start making money from it. So stick around because New.Website is the AI tool that does all the heavy lifting for us. Let's jump in. So welcome to the New.Website dashboard. The interface looks really clean. They claim you can build a website in minutes. And honestly, from what I've seen, that's true. You can add content, forms, media, and more with just a few clicks. The process is simple. Just write a prompt explaining the type of website you want. If you're not great at writing advanced prompts, there's a button called Improve Prompt. The AI takes your basic idea and turns it into a professional, detailed prompt. Then you just click Create, and your website gets built automatically. On the homepage, they even have a short video tutorial showing you how it works, but I'll walk you through everything step by step in this video. First, let's create an account real quick. Hit Sign Up. You can use Google or an email. I'll sign in with my Google account, and here we are in the dashboard. Let's not waste time. I'll type my prompt. Since it's a simple one, I'll click Improve Prompt to make it more detailed. In just seconds, the AI gives me a refined prompt. I'll tweak a few things, like setting the background color to black and making the buttons orange and gray. Then click Create. A couple of minutes later, my AI Tools Directory website is ready. Let's preview it, and wow, it looks really clean. The dark background looks amazing. It automatically added a top menu with essential pages, categories, submit a tool, about, and contact. Scrolling down, there's a search bar, a left side menu with tool categories, and even AI tools already listed in those categories. That's impressive. And here's the best part. Companies or users can submit their own AI tool to be listed on your site. This is how you can monetize. Once your site gets traffic, companies will pay to have their tools featured. Plus, you can earn commissions with affiliate links. Let's test one. If I click on GPT-4 Writer, it doesn't actually go to the real site. It's just a placeholder. This means we need to replace those examples with our own content and affiliate links. That way, when someone clicks and subscribes, you earn a commission. So basically, you can make money two ways: affiliate commissions and paid listings. Now, I'll change the website name to my real directory, Adizer. This is my personal AI tools directory where I list the tools I actually use. And soon, I'll release a new version of adizer.com that I think you'll really like. Changing the name only takes a moment, and boom, the site is now branded as Adizer. Let's break down the editor features on the left panel. Media. Here, you can upload all your files, images, videos, documents. Just drag and drop or click Upload Media. For example, I'll upload the Claude AI logo. It asks me to describe the file, so I type Claude AI logo and hit Upload. A few seconds later, the image is ready to use anywhere on the site. Content. This is where you add your website's content. You can write it manually or import it. I'll choose Import Content. It's faster. I'll upload a markdown file I found online. After uploading, I noticed it was made by someone from futurepedia.com, and it includes their referral links. That's a clever strategy to earn commissions. But remember, always replace those with your own affiliate links. In my example, I'll change Futurepedia to Adizer, save the changes, and then click Use on Website. The AI automatically creates a prompt. I hit Send, and within moments, all those tools are added to my site, neatly categorized. Form responses. Here you can create forms like contact forms or custom submissions. Adizer already has a contact form from the initial setup, but let's see how it works. Just click Add a Form, and it generates a prompt. You can edit the fields or just send it. Then under Form Responses, choose the email where submissions will be sent. To receive them, connect Gmail or any service with Zapier. That way, submissions can go straight to Gmail, MailChimp, or other apps. I won't go through all that now since it would make this video super long, but if you guys want a dedicated video on that, let me know in the comments. Now let's talk about domains. Having your own domain name is crucial. It's your brand identity. New.Website does give you a free subdomain, but if you're serious about your business, I highly recommend buying a professional domain. For example, I'll connect mine, www.aidizer.com. The final feature I'll show you is analytics. Just click Enable Analytics and it's done. You instantly get insights like number of visitors, page views, devices, browsers, and more. I tested it and it shows my visit with all the details. Simple but powerful. Now for the pricing. They offer 3 plans. Starter, $12 a month. Hobby, $25 first month. Pro, $100 a month. Choose the one that best fits your needs. So that's New Website, an AI tool that lets you build a fully functional, professional looking website in minutes, monetize it, and grow your brand without touching a single line of code. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments. If something wasn't clear, just ask and I'll help you out. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.